schools and many businesses closed because of the weather, some weekend events are still a go for tomorrow. KCCI's Pepper Papura has more on that.
In a blizzard so intense, it's canceling events and shutting stores. A bunch of little girls in leotards are some of the only people braving the storm.
They are tougher than the weather.
A gymnastics competition in Hy-Vee Hall, one of the only events not canceled today.
And it is a running joke. We've been hit with 13 to 15 inches of snow several years. We got hit with ice several years in a row. I mean, so it's just something that the teams that are coming kind of recognize.
Across the way at Wells Fargo Arena, another event staying on during the storm.
We wanted to give the ticket buyers that can make it, that are local and can be safe and get here, a good show.
Because the athletes competing at these two events worked hard to make it to Des Moines.
I had 2 flights canceled. They were canceled last night. I booked a last-minute flight. I think it got delayed 5 times. Yeah. Made it here. I think it was one of the only flights that landed here today.
You train it all year long, so when the seasons come around, you don't back down from the competitions. You make it regardless of what the weather's doing, and nobody stops or cares. They just keep going.
Instead of worrying about the weather, they're focusing on their performances.
I kind of let my parents deal with all that, and then they just let me have my mindset on the competition.
In spite of the snow.